going, guys? I'm back with another 3 a.m. challenge. It is. Let's see. I'm making another video, but it's not 3 a.m. I'll be back when it's 3 a.m. Okay, so it is seriously 3 a.m. Can't you see that? It's 3 a.m. So we're gonna use a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. Guys, do not try this at home. My heart is beating like so fast. Shivers are like it feels shivers like down my back. Well, guess I should go. Okay, so 1. Okay, I guess I should do this. Okay. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm like getting like so scared. Me personally right now, I am terrified. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. What was that? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. 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 Okay, guys, so I'm like, shivers are like down my back. Everything went wrong. Please, do not try this at home. Please. You know what? Okay, please smash the like button or you will have to use a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. Peace!